Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to create viral shorts using CapCut AI. So if you want to make engaging YouTube shorts, TikToks or Instagram Reels with the help of AI, just follow along. First, open the CapCut app on your phone and create a new project. After that, tap on the AI Tools section. Depending on your version of CapCut, you may see features like AI Video Generator, AI Script, AI Captions, or AI Editing Tools. Next, upload your clips or enter a prompt if you're using an AI video generation feature. Now let CapCut AI analyze your content. It can automatically trim clips, generate captions, add transitions, and sync footage to music. After that, customize your video by adding text, effects, sound effects, and background music. For shorts, try to keep the video fast-paced and get straight to the main point within a few seconds. Once you're happy with the video, preview it and make any final edits. Then tap Export, choose your preferred quality and save the video to your device. Finally, upload it to YouTube Shorts, TikTok or Instagram Reels and use a clear title and relevant hashtags. So that was how to create viral shorts using CapCut AI. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.